Welcome back to where we dive deep into the world of high-performance motorcycles. If you're passionate about cutting-edge technology, speed, and design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're delving into the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, a machine that epitomizes the pinnacle of motorcycle engineering. Building upon its predecessors, the 2026 model introduces refinements that enhance its track-focused prowess. Let's explore what makes this hypersport motorcycle a marvel of modern engineering. At the heart of the 2026 Ninja H2R lies a 998 cubic centimeters, inline-4, supercharged engine. This power plant produces an astonishing 321.5 horsepower at 14,000 RPM, delivering unparalleled acceleration and top-end speed. The centrifugal-type supercharger, spinning at nearly 130,000 RPM, efficiently compresses air without the need for a large intercooler, thanks to its high efficiency and minimal heat generation. Kawasaki Motors 1. Kawasaki Motors 2. The engine's performance is further enhanced by a premium dogring transmission, allowing for quick and precise gear shifts. Coupled with a hydraulic assist and slipper clutch, the system minimizes wheel chatter during rapid downshifting, ensuring smooth deceleration. Kawasaki Motors 2. The 2026 H2R's chassis is a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to precision. The trellis frame, constructed from high-tensile steel, offers a balance between rigidity and flexibility, ensuring optimal handling. The Öhlins TTX36 rear shock provides adjustable compression and rebound damping, allowing riders to fine-tune the ride to their preference. The front suspension features a 43mm inverted Kayaba AOS2 fork, offering smooth initial stroke and progressive damping. Kawasaki Motors 1. Kawasaki Motors 2. The lightweight cast aluminum wheels are designed specifically for the H2R, incorporating insights from Kawasaki's World SBK team. The 200mm rear tire ensures maximum traction, transmitting the engine's power effectively to the ground. Kawasaki Motors 2. Safety and control are paramount, and the H2R's braking system reflects this. Equipped with dual 330mm semi-floating discs and Brembo M50 monoblock calipers, the front brakes offer exceptional stopping power. The Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Brake System, KIBS, ensures precise brake pressure modulation, reducing rear-wheel lift during aggressive braking. Kawasaki Motors 1. Kawasaki Motors 2. The 2026 H2R is laden with advanced electronics designed to enhance the riding experience. The Bosch Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU, provides real-time data on chassis orientation, enabling systems like Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC, and Kawasaki Launch Control Mode, KLCM, to optimize performance. KTRC offers 9 levels of intervention, allowing riders to tailor the system to their riding style. KLCM ensures optimal acceleration from a standstill by managing engine output to minimize wheel spin. Kawasaki Motors 1. The Kawasaki Quick Shifter, KQS, facilitates seamless upshifts and downshifts without the need for clutch engagement. Additionally, the Öhlins electronic steering damper adjusts damping based on speed, providing stability during high-speed maneuvers. Kawasaki Motors 2. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the H2R's performance. The carbon fiber aerodynamic devices, including vortex down control wings, generate downforce, enhancing stability at high speeds. The rigid carbon fiber upper cowl and aerodynamically shaped rear cowl efficiently direct airflow, reducing drag and improving overall performance. Kawasaki Motors 2. The self-healing paint ensures the bike maintains its pristine appearance, as certain types of scratches repair themselves over time. This feature adds to the bike's longevity and aesthetic appeal. Kawasaki Motors 2. Despite its formidable capabilities, the H2R maintains a manageable size. With an overall length of 81.5 inches and a wheelbase of 57.1 inches, the bike offers agility without compromising stability. The seat height stands at 32.7 inches, accommodating a range of riders. Weighing in at 476.3 pounds with a full tank, the H2R strikes a balance between lightweight construction and structural integrity. Kawasaki Motors 1. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a masterpiece of engineering blending raw power with precision handling and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a connoisseur of fine motorcycles, the H2R offers an unparalleled riding experience. Its combination of performance, design, and advanced features sets a new benchmark in the Hypersport category. Kawasaki Motors, 2. Thank you for joining us in exploring the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more in-depth reviews and motorcycle insights, don't forget to subscribe to until next time. Ride safe and keep the throttle open.